Hi everyone, welcome to Jonotech. Today I have an unboxing video of wireless charging case for Apple AirPod. Since my first generation AirPod still works, I just got the case itself. So outside of the box it says wireless charging case for AirPods, and it even has drawing for AirPower, which Apple gave up. Let's take a look at inside. So inside there are some paperworks and the AirPod case itself. Now please take a note that the Apple does not include a lightning connector when you buy the AirPod case by itself. Not that I expected them to be generous, but hey, they didn't even include an Apple sticker. So now it's time to show you the start of the show. As you can see, the LED indicator has moved to outside. Now you are seeing the first generation Apple AirPod case on the right compared to the wireless charging case on the left. Seems like it's the same size. The hinge is changed. First generation has mirror-like finish. Second generation is like aluminum-like finish. Maybe they changed stainless steel to aluminum to save cost, I don't know. But you know, stainless steel Apple Watch is more expensive than the aluminum version. Everything else seems the same. The bottom lightning connector seems a little bit different on this video, but in the real life it looks exactly the same. The pairing button has moved toward the center from the bottom. And here's one of my wireless charger. I use stand-up style charger at my office. I was hoping to see it charging when I just put it down, but the location of coil doesn't match. FYI, this is a TechMet wireless charger. It has two coils on top and bottom for vertical and horizontal use for your phone. So here's how I can charge my AirPod case when I'm at the office, and here's how I can charge my AirPod when I'm at home. Also note that the LED indicator light on the AirPod case turns off in a little bit, but it's still charging. That's it for today. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.